Hey guys, Mazos here, and today I'm hopping back into Idiots and Cars for episode number 2 of Idiots and Cars. Ah, we're going to be covering the top 21 posts, and if you still haven't figured out why I do 21, go and do some mathematics. Anyways, let's go. First post, when you purposely drive slow in the fast lane. Oh. Oh. the the idiot is not even in the fast car. There we. The idiot is the one stopping the fast car from being an idiot. And that sort of falls into the situation of if I had a car, if I drove a car, and someone like obviously I would not do it to a car that's designed to go fast, and this person feels like they were they were purposely doing it. I would purposely be doing it if I saw someone speeding. Like if I saw someone speeding, uh, I would want to be like, I'm gonna go in front of this dude, slow down so he can't pass at all, and I'll be like to the guy beside me. If there's anyone ever beside me, I just be like, just like indicate to the guy behind me, just trying to speed past and be like, "You want to go slow?" I might be a bit of a dick move to do, but it like speeding is illegal. So if you do the speed limit in front of the person, you're not breaking the rules yourself. You're preventing someone else from getting into an accident. Passenger pushes bicycle um, cyclist off the road in Dublin Mountains. Apparently, the identity of passengers unknown, and police investigating. What? What the hell happened here? What? Oh no! You Dublin Mountains. That's Ireland, isn't it? What the? I don't know where I can add to this. Just why are you wanting to hurt someone? Idiot cuts up cycles. We got back to bikes. No sound. Okay. Oh, you. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Why are you doing that to me? Oh, you. I guess today we've learnt that no one gives a damn about about cyclists or bikes. Why? Oh no. Someone has a death wish. What? What's about to happen? You're flashing your lights, yes? You're flashing them. Okay, you've gone over into. Oh, you're pulling out. What the? Road rage against a truck? You're road raging against a truck. Why? Why? Why a truck? You want to end up like that clip? On the way home. I was thinking about the whole you've been struck by truck meme. Really funny because it's just like, ah! Oh my god! I feel like that would be appropriate for this moment. We have seen this one, so we'll move on to the next one. Hit and run driver smashes into my wife's car and our house. A hit and run driver somehow hits a house and gets away with it. Okay. Oh. How does this guy get away? This guy's gonna back up. Come on, back it up, buddy. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's a lot of damage. Oh, is it? Hey, no. Bye, man. It just takes a bit for a bit of a ride as well. I love how it's just like, boom, and right into the house, backs up, and then hits the bin and just drags it with him. You okay? I shouldn't be laughing, but it's just like that video went on so long for the guy to come over and be like, "What the hell happened?" I hope someone got that license. I hope someone in this like that watches went down in the comments and figured out the license plate and all that to catch that guy because he smashed the car into a tree, ran into the garage. That's what I'm most likely assuming it is, either that or somehow hit the bedroom. Even like, was it the garage or the bedroom? Yeah. Oh. Okay. They still haven't caught this guy. What? And it was the garage. Oh, thank goodness. It was the garage and not the bedroom. Because that, you got lucky. That, whoever that was, probably got a new car now and just hide in the old car. Like, they've dumped the old car, got a new one, and just continuing on with their life. Okay. This poor, terrified dog trapped under trash in an open. Oh no, not a dog! Oh no, the dog! No! Why? Why? How did the dog get in there in the first place? Did it just jump in and like did the person be like, go on in, and just like it's like get in there, boy, get in there, and the dog had to go in there because the master was telling them to, and then they just got locked in there. At least it's not an enclosed box. That is much more of a safety hazard for dogs. I mean, jeez, could have gone worse. Oh no, truck again. Oh, the back of that truck. Oh no, 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 no! Oh, shh! Oh, you got lucky, you bastard! You got absolutely lucky. What? I thought it was that at the right damn time. You got so lucky. What is wrong with you? Act natural. What's gonna happen here? A police car? Okay. Oh, oh no! Oh no! That's bad. So wait, did what happened? Was oh he caught up to that car, hit that car. Oh that was a very tame hit. That was a very tame hit. We got that was not one of the best I've seen ever, but still pretty impressive. Okay, it's me. I'm the idiot. Left my sunroof open when it called for rain. Okay. Yeah, you kind of just got a little bit of a wet on the inside. At least it saves the cleaning bill. You can tell how little I know about cars when I'm making jokes about the cleaning bill. When most likely that is leather. Your seats are leather, and you gotta replace the leather now. Center of Tirana, a high driver in drugs, attempts to kill people. 0 injuries. A hero with a flying kick stops him. What is this title? Is this title drunk or high? Okay. Oh, oh my. Oh, it's a driver high on drugs. Okay. Oh, 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 oh my God. Oh, dude went. Whoa, what a cat. Oh my God. That. Oh my gosh. That dude flew in. What a hit. Uh, this dude just like, yeah. It's like, I'm going in flying feet style. Flying kick. Oh, I mean, just, oh my God, man. Just like, boom. Nice work, my man. You stopped him with a flying kick to the face. Or the chest, or wherever you hit him. Still impressive. Imagine being proud of drinking and driving. Yeah, get that drug. What? Oh my! This is a collage of stupidity. It's a collage of just dumb. And somehow they have not been caught. Anyone got an explanation for that? You may want to pull over and check that one, buddy. Oh, what happened? Oh no! What? What? What the? Why? How do you break your axes that exact? And somehow this dude is also still driving on the road with a broken tire. What? He's just going to the service station. That's all. It's just a few miles down the highway. It'd be perfectly fine. I won't hit anyone. I'm that good at driving with free wheels. If you want to drive with free wheels, get a Reliant Robin. His dash cam proving him guilty in court. What? Oh, dude. Why are you going so fast, man? I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for the oncoming car. What did he even hit? What did he even hit in that? What did he even hit? Oh, he hit the. You gotta get better at drifting, bro. You've got to get better at drifting if you want to do that type of thing. You gotta turn the wheel a lot sharper if you want to drift around those corners. I know. Yeah, shouldn't do that in the first place. A guy pulled out in front of my semi Saturday. Okay, we got another road rage, I guess. Oh wait, I think I've seen this clip in another YouTube video. Oh, you got a question: is this guy blind? In a moment. Just straight up game mode. Oh my god. You've been hit by, you've been struck by Jack. That's what happened. He literally got struck by a truck. Oh my goodness, man. Why would you pull out in front of a truck? You're going to hear it from a mile away, you dummy. Taking Dad's car for a joyride. Okay. Let's see how dumb you are. 5 miles of this. What the? Dude. Come on! Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Come on! Come on! that that is just terrible. If if you're a person that does this shit, fuck you. like like if you try. again, going back to the very first clip, if I would do it if someone's speeding. If I can tell that someone's speeding around me and they're coming up behind me and been like flashing the lights and all that to go faster, I'd be like, no, I'm gonna sit at the speed limit with the person next beside me also doing the speed limit and just be like, yeah, we're following the rules, you a-hole. Not that I have a car. Lady in white SUV tries to bully 18-wheeler. Oh, by the way, I skipped the last one. Like, I'm skipping this one because we've seen it before. Okay. Oh, and here's the Karen. Here's the Karen. Okay. Oh, road rage. We got road rage here, people. Oh, oh, and again. One more time. Nice. Yeah, play chicken with an 18-wheeler, you're gonna lose. Damn, this bus driver is a hero. Oh, I've seen this clip many times. Okay. And everyone's like, what the hell? It's like, what? What happened? No one realizes that he just swerved to avoid a car. Woo! Oh, he had a heart attack right there. He had a mini heart attack. Look at that face. That's the face of a mini heart attack. They added a roundabout near my hometown in rural eastern Kentucky. Here's an example how not to use a roundabout. Come on. Let's see him cut through the middle. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Oh my god. Oh my lord. At least there's some cars getting in the right spot after they break the rules. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And that's why the Europeans use them and not the Americans. Oh, that the music on top, perfect touch, just a perfect touch. It might get copyright, so I might have to remove the music, but it's a perfect touch. A high state senator using a Zoom background of his home office while driving, debating a bill for harsher penalties for distracted driving. Oh, the irony of this post. You can tell. You can tell the shitty work that he put into it. Like, all you had to do was just picture and get rid of the fuzz around the edge. Otherwise, it looks too obvious. And also, well, it also makes it obvious is the damn seatbelt you're wearing, mate. Why are you wearing seatbelt in your house? Yeah, you're driving. And with that sense of irony finishing out the episode, we're going to end the episode here. Links to my YouTube channel and my other YouTube channel will be in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video comes out. A ding, a ding, ding. Uh, also, I've been putting like the end card stuff with the last episode that I do and the playlist. Do me a favor and click on those. Click on those right there. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that's another video for the week. I'm Mad Scientist. Mad Scientist out.